Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Zoho CRM securely with Authy step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Zoho CRM login page in your preferred web browser. Enter your email address and password to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on the profile icon to reveal the drop-down menu. Select Settings from the available options. In the Settings menu, locate the Security section. Click on Two-Factor Authentication. You will see options for enabling two-factor authentication. Choose Authy as your preferred authentication method. A QR code will appear on your screen. Open the Authy app on your mobile device. In Authy, click on the plus sign to add a new account. Scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Once scanned, Authy will generate a 6-digit verification code. Return to the Zoho CRM page and enter the verification code in the designated field. Click on Verify to confirm the setup. You will receive a confirmation message indicating successful authentication setup. For added security, you may want to back up your Authy account. Enable backups by going to the Authy app settings. Follow the prompts to set up your backup password. To test your new two-factor authentication, log out of Zoho CRM. Log back in using your email and password. When prompted, open the Authy app again for the verification code. Enter the code into Zoho CRM and click Submit. Congratulations, you have successfully set up an authenticated Zoho CRM securely with Authy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.